60,000 Socotra cormorants. They have come here to raise a family out of the reach of predators. Just over a week old, this chick is constantly hungry. Both parents take turns to fetch food for it. But raising chicks in the desert is not easy. They must be protected from the searing heat. Cormorants feed their young as frequently as possible until they reach adult weight, and then abandon them. This creates mobs of starving juveniles. They mug the adults for their catch. When parents are unable to get back to the nest with food, their partners face a dilemma. Stay, and their chicks may starve. Or go to find food and leave them exposed to danger. The gang is still ravenous. Their hunger drives them to become cannibals. Without food, chicks get weaker and weaker. Parents have no choice but to leave. Saved just in the nick of time, and food finally arrives. As the chicks grow, they will eventually be abandoned by their parents. So they too may have no choice but to become cannibals.